we discuss about the lesson 4 nervous system. In this video we have discussed about the short answer type questions of lesson 4, but before that we discuss about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. So first is the homework.
As you know that I have given homework on 18th July 2020, lesson 4 nervous system. Match the following column A with column B. In column A given brain, nerve cell, spinal cord, skull, reflex action. In column B given A, thread-like structures, B, protected by the backbone, C, involves only nerves and spinal cord, D, center of the nervous system, E, protects the brain. Now I am solving the match the following, how to solve, and you know that match the following, right is side by side in line. First, brain. Your brain match to center of the nervous system. Brain is the center of the nervous system, so brain match to center of the nervous system. Question number 2, second number, nerve cells. Nerve cells you match to thread-like structures. Nerve cell match to thread-like structures. You know that nerve cell is a thread-like structures. And third number, spinal cord. Spinal cord match to protected by the backbone. You know that backbone protect the spinal cord. So all of you, spinal cord match to protected by the backbone. Next is a skull. Skull protects the brain. You know that brain is protected by the skull. So all student you have matched to skull to protect the brain. Next, reflex action. Reflex action match to involves only nerves and spinal cord. You know that reflex action is controlled by the spinal cord, and in this action spinal cord and nerves only involved. So all of you write in side by side in this way, and I remind to you, all of you, in comment box you have write name, class and section for your attendance daily. Okay.
Give short answer. Question number first, name the system that works as the internal communication network of the body. Question is, name the system that works as the internal communication network of the body. Which system work as the communication system in human body? Yes, right answer. The nervous system is the internal communication network of the body. I repeat again, the nervous system is the internal communication network of the body. Question number 2, which nerves carry messages from the body to the brain? Means you know that nerves are 3 types: sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. Sensory nerves carry messages from body part to the brain. Motor nerve carry other signals from brain to the muscles or body part, and mixed nerve, they receive and also they carry message from body part to brain as well as brain to the body part. So here sensory nerves carry messages from the body to the brain. You know that the sensory nerves carry masses from body part to the brain. Okay. Next question number 3. Which part of the brain controls thinking, learning and talking? You know that our brain divided into 3 parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. They control thinking, learning, talking, etc. Second one, cerebellum. Cerebellum is the second largest part of the brain. It controls playing, running, moving hand, etc. And medulla control the involuntary muscles, movement of the involuntary muscles, means they control the heartbeat, breathings, etc. So here answer is the cerebrum controls thinking, learning and talking. I repeat again, the cerebrum controls thinking, learning and talking. As you know that the cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Question number 4. Name the action controlled by the spinal cord. Means spinal cord control the which type of action, which type of movement. Yes, right answer is reflex action is controlled by the spinal cord. Reflex action is controlled by the spinal cord. You know that reflex action, if we touch the hot spawn, hot pan, and immediately our hand remove or away from the hot spawn, and such type of such type of activity and controlled by the spinal cord. Next, fifth number, which sense organ help us to keep our balance? You know that we have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. And in 5 sense organ, which organs keep our balance? Yes, answer is ears helps us to keep our balance. Answer is ears helps us to keep our balance. So I repeat again, see one by one. Name the system that works as the internal communication network of the body. Answer is the nervous system is the internal communication network of the body. Question number 2. Which nerves carry masses from the body to the brain? Answer is sensory nerves carry masses from the body part to the brain. Question number 3. Which part of the brain controls thinking, learning and talking? Answer is the cerebrum controls thinking, learning and talking. Question number 4. Name the action controlled by the spinal cord. Reflex action is controlled by the spinal cord. And question number 5. Which sense organ helps us to keep our balance? Answer is the ears helps us to keep our balance. Now all student, you have take a copy and pen. Now write homework of lesson 4, nervous system, date 20 July. Homework is answer the following questions. Long questions. Question number 1. Why does food not taste good when we have a cold? Why does food not taste good when we have a cold? When we suffering from the common cold or any type of cold, then that condition food not tasty. Question number 2. How do eyelids and eyelashes, how
do eyelids and eyelashes help the eye? I repeat again. How do eyelids and eyelashes helps the eye? I repeat again all questions. Question number first, why does food not taste good when we have a cold? Question number 2, how do eyelids and eyelashes help the eyes? You have write this homework in copy and try to solve this homework. As you know that daily in comment box most of the student send name, class and section, but most of the student not send the name, class section in comment box. So I request you all of you, please send name, class and section in comment box. Thank you.